Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Nissan Rogue key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, including any existing ones, as they all need to be programmed together. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged for a smooth process. Begin by getting inside your Nissan Rogue and closing all the doors securely. Then, use the driver's side power lock switch to lock every door. Now, without turning the ignition, insert your key into the ignition cylinder and then remove it. Repeat this action at least 6 times, but no more than 10, within a quick 10-second period. You must fully withdraw the key each time. If successful, your vehicle's hazard lights will flash twice, indicating that the system has entered programming mode. This step is crucial for the process to continue. Next, insert the key back into the ignition and turn it to the accessory or ACC position. Do not start the engine. Immediately, within 5 seconds, press any button on the key fob you wish to program. The hazard lights will flash once more, confirming that this specific remote has been successfully synced. If you have additional key fobs, repeat this step for each one, including any already working remotes. To exit programming mode, turn the ignition key to the OFF position and remove it from the cylinder. Then, unlock the doors using the driver's side power lock switch and open the driver's door. This action finalizes the programming sequence. Step away from your vehicle and test all the functions of your newly programmed key fob, ensuring it locks, unlocks, and operates as expected. Congratulations! Your key fob is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.